Hello students, I'm going to discuss the quick solutions of All India AIATS Test Series Medical 2019. Test number 10, code ANB. Your test was held on 31st of March 2019 and I'll be dealing with the botany section. So let's start with the botany section. Question number 91. The membraneless organelles in living cells are: first option vacuoles, second ribosomes, third glyoxysomes, fourth lysosomes. In this question, it is asked that the membraneless cell organelle which is present in the living cells is. So, vacuoles are not membraneless. Vacuoles present in the plant cells and they are surrounded by a single membrane called tonoplast. So, they have tonoplast. So, this option is ruled out. What about the glyoxysomes? They are microbodies and they have also a single membrane. So this option is also ruled out. What about the lysosomes? Lysosomes are also surrounded by a single membrane. So this option is also ruled out. What about the ribosomes? Ribosomes are the smallest cell organelles which are present in both prokaryotic as well as eukaryotic cells, and they are membraneless. They lack any membrane. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move to the next question. Question number 92. Select the incorrect match from the following. First option anthocyanin, water-soluble pigment. Second, cytoskeleton, proteinaceous structures. Third, chloroplast, autonomous organelle. Fourth, protoplast, cell without cell wall. So you have to find out the incorrect match out of the following options. First is anthocyanin. It's a pigment which is water soluble. Yes, it is very correct. The pigment anthocyanin is water soluble. Second is cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton is the supporting structure which is proteinaceous in nature and it is present in eukaryotes only. So this is correctly matched. Fourth one, protoplast. Protoplast is a structure which is a cell without cell wall. It is also correct. When you remove a cell wall from a plant cell, the remaining structure is known as protoplast. Third one is chloroplast. It is autonomous organelle. No. Chloroplast is semi-autonomous in nature, not the autonomous organelle. What does it mean? Chloroplast can synthesize some of its own proteins because it has its own DNA, ribosomes as well as RNA. So it is semi-autonomous in nature but not completely autonomous because for some of the proteins it is dependent on the nucleus. So this is wrongly matched option. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move to the next question. Question number 93. The following diagram is representing a transition stage to a particular phase of cells dividing mitotically. One of the characteristic feature of the phase which occurs just after this particular phase is: first option, condensation of chromatin material. Second, movement of centrioles to the opposite poles. Third, assembly of nuclear envelope. Fourth, splitting of centromeres. This is the transition stage to a particular phase. So with the help of the given diagram, you can identify this stage is transition to metaphase. Now, one of the characteristic feature of the phase which just occurs after the particular phase means the feature which occurs in anaphase, because anaphase occurs just after the metaphase. So you have to choose the correct option regarding the anaphase. First is condensation of chromatin material. No, it happens in the prophase and not in the anaphase. Movement of centrioles to the opposite poles, again in the prophase. Third, assembly of nuclear envelope. No, it occurs in the telophase, not in the anaphase. And the fourth one is a splitting of centromeres. Yes, centromeres split during the anaphase and the daughter chromosomes move towards the opposite poles. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move to the next question. Question number 94. Read the following statements. A. During crossing over, exchange of genetic material between sister chromatid occurs. B. By the end of diakinesis, nucleolus reappears. C. During the stage between telophase 1 and prophase 2, chromosomes get elongated. Which of the given statements are correct? First option only A and B. Second, all A, B and C. Third, only C. Fourth, only B and C. So you have to choose the correct statements. During crossing over means in the packaging stage, when there is a crossing over in meiosis, exchange of genetic material between sister chromatid occurs. No, between the non-sister chromatids of the homologous chromosomes, the crossing over occurs. So this statement is completely wrong. Second, B, by the end of diakinesis, a nucleolus reappears. No, by the end of diakinesis, a nucleolus disappears, because diakinesis is the substage of the prophase 1, and at the end of prophase 1 the nucleolus disappears, and in telophase it reappears. So this statement is wrong. C, during the stage between telophase 1 and prophase 2, the stage which comes between the telophase and prophase 2, it is the interkinesis, and in interkinesis the chromosomes get elongated, but not up to the chromatin material, but yes, they get elongated. So this is correct. Only C statement is correct, hence the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move to the next question. Question number 95. Mango, wheat and brinjal belong to the same. First option division, second class, third family, fourth order. Here I have already written about the family, order, class and division of these plants. These are the common name which are called wheat, mango and brinjal. The family of wheat is Poaceae, order is Poales and the class is Monocotyledone. For mango, the family is Anacardiaceae, order is Sepindales. And for brinjal, the family is Solanaceae and the order is Polymoniales. Mango and brinjal both belong to the same class called Dicotyledone. And both the classes Monocotyledone as well as Dicotyledone, they come under the same division called the Angiospermae. Hence, wheat, mango and brinjal, they share a common division called Angiospermae. So, option number 3, 2 and 4 are ruled out as they don't share similarities in classes, order and families. So the correct option for the given question is option number 1. Let's move to the next question.